Jazz, let me tell you what that lifetime powertrain warranty is going to do for you. It's going to prevent you from ever suffering what we see so many people suffer. People show up here. They leave their cars in our service department and they wait for a text or a phone call for an estimate on the repair. And too often we see catastrophic, life-changing repair estimates and bills show up. Let me ask you a quick question. 5 years from now, your car's been running just fine. It's got 120,000 miles on it, and you hear a knock in the engine. You bring it in, and they hit you with a $13,000 engine replacement estimate. Would that be catastrophic in your world?
Absolutely.
Would that kind of money be even life-changing sometimes? We see it all the time. People have to pull money out of their 401s or their retirement plans, or they max out all their credit cards, which is going to take them 10 years to pay off at 30%. We've had some people say, keep the car. That will never happen to you, my man, because you're going to leave here with a powertrain warranty that is going to cover you for as long as you own that vehicle. Unlimited miles, but we do ask that you keep the vehicle serviced according to the factory recommended intervals. Make sure if you have the work done here, we'll keep all the records. If you have the work done elsewhere, and you can, make sure you keep the records. Cool? All right. That's the lifetime powertrain warranty. No more catastrophic, life-changing repair bills.